Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Windows Security from Start. This launches the Defender interface you'll control. Once done, check Windows Update and apply any pending system updates so Defender has current definitions. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account because you'll need elevated rights to run scans or change ransomware protections. If a prompt appears, accept permissions. This enables real-time protection and proper threat responses. Now that the app is active and your system is up to date, proceed to run. Next, go to Virus and Threat Protection and choose Scan options to access the full scan. You perform a full scan when you want a comprehensive check of all files and running processes. This may take a while but finds hidden threats. Start the scan and watch progress. Windows Defender will list any detections as it finds them. When items appear, follow prompts to quarantine or remove. Doing so isolates malware and prevents reinfection. After completion, review the scan log to confirm no unresolved threats remain. To finish, enable real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection so Windows Defender actively blocks threats and uses Microsoft Cloud Intelligence. Once done, schedule periodic quick or full scans and keep definition updates automatic for ongoing coverage. If malware survives standard removal, run Windows Defender offline scan. It reboots your PC to scan outside the OS, which often catches stubborn infections. If you run into problems, make sure definitions are current. If needed, check Event Viewer for errors or reinstall Security Intelligence updates to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.